Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the latest developments at Faraday Future. As many of you are aware, this week is particularly crucial for the company with their upcoming shareholder meeting on the horizon. While some may argue that this meeting isn't a pivotal moment, I firmly believe it is. Based on their recent actions and a thorough examination of their SEC filings, it is clear that the company is emphasizing the importance of this meeting. The definitive 14A forms they've released underline the necessity for investor awareness about the critical nature of raising authorized shares and implementing a reverse stock split. These measures are essential not only for compliance, but also for the financial health of the company. Today, I'll be covering several key expectations and potential outcomes from this shareholder meeting. I'll also discuss one crucial step that I believe Faraday Future should take at this juncture. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with all the latest news. Now, let's get right into it. I won't spend too much time rehashing the details of the upcoming shareholder meeting, as I've covered it extensively in previous videos. However, I do want to stress once again how significant this meeting is for Faraday Future. The company recently posted a brief 55-second video not in English, but with subtitles that discusses their bridge strategy and hints at a major upcoming announcement. It's my belief that they're waiting for the shareholder meeting to conclude before releasing this potentially game-changing news. Faraday Future has two critical areas that require immediate attention for their operations: funding and the bridge strategy. Securing the UAE deal is absolutely vital for their financial stability. Additionally, there are numerous moving parts within the company that many people may not fully understand. Each component is somewhat independent yet interconnected, making the overall strategy quite complex. From what I've gathered, Faraday Future seems to be strategically timing their announcements, likely planning to release significant news right after the shareholder meeting. In my opinion, this is a calculated move to maximize impact. I've offered several suggestions on various platforms regarding what Faraday Future should do next. One key recommendation is for the company to provide regular updates, particularly concerning their share intel updates. The last significant news on this front was in December when they announced moving to Phase 2. Investors need more transparency and frequent updates to stay informed and confident. Another area where Faraday Future needs to improve is in clearly communicating what sets their technology apart from other OEMs. Many investors and potential customers are left wondering what makes a Faraday vehicle unique. While the interior looks impressive and the technology sounds innovative, the company needs to articulate these points more effectively. Unlike competitors like Lucid, which is very open about their next-level technology, Faraday Future has been somewhat vague. This lack of clarity is something that needs to be addressed. Investors want to understand the distinctive features and advantages of Faraday technology. For instance, Palantir, a significant early investor, saw potential in Faraday Future and invested $25 million. Despite initial setbacks and the company not meeting its 2018 vehicle launch projections, Palantir investment indicates that there is something valuable in Faraday's technology. However, Faraday Future needs to pay Palantir $5 million, a debt mandated by court order due to the company's previous non-compliance. This financial obligation adds another layer of complexity to their situation. In a recent interview, Matthias stated that the company wouldn't be conducting any lump sum dilutions, dismissing such claims as baseless. However, it's evident that Faraday Future will need to dilute at least $5 million to settle their debt with Palantir. This situation highlights the financial challenges they're facing and the need for strategic financial management. Despite these challenges, I've provided a comprehensive overview of Faraday Future history and current situation. Palantir initial investment indicates they saw significant potential in Faraday technology, reinforcing the need for the company to better communicate its unique advantages. As we look ahead, this week is set to be pivotal for Faraday Future. Post-shareholder meeting, we can expect some major announcements, including the possibility of a reverse stock split. For those skeptical of my predictions, I encourage you to review my previous videos. I accurately predicted the timing of the shareholder meeting announcement, demonstrating my understanding of the company's movements. Faraday Future management appears to be energized by recent positive momentum, creating a unique opportunity for the company. They need to provide updates on how their technology stands out and address any potential malicious activities through legal action if necessary. This week promises to be highly volatile, with significant events beyond Faraday Future shareholder meeting. The Federal Reserve interest rate decision is also scheduled for Wednesday at 2 p.m. Currently, there's a 95.3% chance that rates will remain unchanged, with a 4.7% likelihood of a 25 basis point cut. This decision will have a substantial impact on the EV sector, which is highly sensitive to interest rates. The subsequent meetings in September and November could bring further rate changes, adding to the sector volatility. Brace yourselves for a roller coaster week filled with crucial updates from Faraday Future, the Federal Reserve decisions, and other market movements. Please share your thoughts on this update in the comments, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates.